In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy section. Now scroll to click on Device Unlock available here, and if you don't have screen lock, set it up. Without it, you won't be able to add face recognition feature to your smartphone. So click on screen lock, set it up, go back, tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock, select Face on the left and enter Set Screen Lock. Finally, hit Add Now. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done. Now make sure this switcher next to Screen Unlock is blue. You can manage all of those other ones however you want to, but this one will make sure that you can unlock your device using face recognition. So when you finished with all of those, go back to check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!